Okay, so these are my husband's fishing shirts. I went in and collected all of his nice shirts. I'm not so sure he's going to be really happy, but I think he will. I'll think he'll be happy with the end result.
He can take it fishing with him, right?
Yeah, that's right. So he's collected them from all over. And then because we went to Glamis, I threw in a couple of the Glamis ones that we had with his fishing stuff. And that's what I have.
All right, everybody, Kim has hers done.
Oh, wow.
That is good.
That is great.
Here's my seams.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, your dark gray works really well too.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.